हेलो एवरीबॉडी, नमस्ते।
आप कैसे हो? बहुत अच्छा
ठीक
है
हो गाइस? बढ़िया हो? बढ़िया।
अब बढ़िया। You say बढ़िया।
हाँ, बढ़िया। What is the meaning of बढ़िया?
I'm good.
Guys, training is in progress, right? See, okay. So आज हम यहाँ पे हैं to talk about something जो कि एक गलत इंफॉर्मेशन है, उस पर हम बात करने वाले हैं। हमारे हिसाब से वो चीज़ ठीक नहीं है जो वो दिखा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक वेजिटेरियंस वालों को तो फ़ायदा ही हुआ है, बिकॉज दे बिलीव कि चिकन खाना ही बंद कर देना चाहिए। बट जो खाते हैं, आई गेस जो भी उस वीडियो में शो करा गया है, इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट वर्क्स। सो first we'll see the video and after that we're gonna give our opinion on that. So let's get started. Let's see the video. Okay.
It is very bad, horrible, but it could be, but I do just see. Gee.
Hey, dude.
Purposely they choose the chicken who they left some corner for 2 weeks. I'm sure. I see the color is changed.
Yeah.
Not a fresh chicken even. This is bad.
Yeah.
Misguiding. This is misguiding, no?
Yes. I mean, I'm sure there will be some bacteria.
Of course,
yeah.
Any meats, once the no blood circulation, the all bacteria attack to the body to,
recycle.
Yeah.
To dissolve the
this
chicken.
Everything, even us, anything.
So guys, जैसा कि आपने वीडियो देख ही ली होगी, so इसमें जो कि दिखा रहा है, I mean it's very right? It's
very bad.
Ew.
Actually, it could be like this. I never watched chicken under microscope. When this is after 1 day, 2 days. But it is possible.
Yeah.
This is something natural.
No doubt.
But what I am gonna tell now. Same thing is happening in any vegetable, that is more worse, because vegetables, so many bacteria, some parasite, maybe eggs, so many more dangerous even. But there is a way always.
Yes.
For vegetable, you can sanitize with the liquid. For chicken or any meat, minimum 1.5 hours you have to cook.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. So like
nothing can survive.
हाँ, अगर आप नॉर्मल वेजिटेरियन भी कुछ भी वेजीज देख लो, पत्ते देख लो गाइस, घास फूस खाते हो ना? नहीं, मैं भी खाती हूँ गाइस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैं दोनों चीज़ें खाती हूँ, घास फूस भी और चिकन भी। सो उसमें भी इतने सारे कीटाणु होते हैं। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ वॉश करते हैं एंड देन कट इट एंड देन हम कुक करते हैं, राइट? कुक करने के बाद क्या होता है, जब आप उसको कुक करते हो ना, तो जितने भी बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं वो वहीं पे डेड हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं कि वो सेम बैक्टीरिया आपको कुक करने के बाद भी मिलेगा खाने के लिए, नहीं, बैक्टीरिया हर चीज में है, बट शोइंग लाइक दिस इज समथिंग लाइक making me feel like not eating chicken.
Yeah. See, anyway, I'm not so much non-veg, so much into non-veg.
Neither
I eat egg regularly, but not so much non-veg.
Yeah.
But even after seeing this, I feel so bad. I was thinking, people like me, even once in a month or twice in a month, they want to eat chicken. They even imagine they cut that also. Seriously, because of misinformation.
Right.
Because they don't know, they think, oh wow, I don't eat worms. This normal people don't know about all this. They see only internet become like a something that everybody just see and so many.
Nowadays, so it happens like this only. Like whatever you see on internet, people start believing on that.
Exactly.
without even trying by their own or seeing.
See, some
by themselves.
body needs protein. You
Yes.
cannot get your proper protein from only vegetables
Right.
and nuts and all. You need. I'm not saying too much. At least little in a month. Eggs at least. I'm not saying even chicken because I don't like even chicken and all the one.
Right.
At least eggs. But seeing this, you don't believe all this. Always search about everything.
Right.
Then-
there are bacteria जो कि mostly chicken and जो भी आपके fish वगैरह में पाई जाती हैं, तो raw कौन खाने वाला है? हम सब cook ही करके खाएंगे, right? Right.
If you don't cook properly, it's gonna be very dangerous, guys. This is.
Yeah.
I'm not saying take it very softly. If you don't cook chicken or any meat properly, especially in India, because you don't know people how they keep the stuff and how they keep nothing. We have no information. Everything they do, you have to make sure you cook properly. And even you are feeding dogs in that other part that I wanted
Yeah.
to say, if you are an animal lover who you are feeding the animals in the street, you also make sure for them also never give raw chicken and cook properly because they also get infection.
Yes.
And very
Right.
very dangerous infection that it takes a lot of time to cure. So
Right.
they don't have even tongues to talk, make sure because so many of my friends, they are vegetarian, but they cook for animals.
Right.
So they should also have some information. That is dangerous.
Right.
So I saw this video in the internet. I said, Pooja, let's talk about this.
Yeah, because somehow it's not about us also. If you, I mean, chicken अगर आप कोई भी रॉ चीज़ को 2-3 दिन तक रखोगे तो वो स्पॉइल होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी एंड उसमें बैक्टीरिया और ज़्यादा मल्टीप्लाई होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. सो इसलिए इफ़ यू आर कीपिंग इट फॉर 2 days ऑल्सो इन फ्रिज, at least cook nicely
Exactly.
and then eat or give to someone,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Or try to keep it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Freezer is better. No fridge. Freezer. Keep it in the freezer and cook it properly. At least minimum 1.5 hour. In cooker 1 hour.
Yeah.
Normal cooking 1.5 hour.
फिश तो गाइस आप लोग एटलीस्ट मतलब फिश में तो आई थिंक इतना 1 घंटा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिश तो आप जल्दी कुक हो जाता है.
Yeah.
बट कुक
Fish
इट
you cannot
नाइसली
do.
गाइस.
But you know one thing, Pooja, fish, if you are not sure that the fish you are getting, it's it should be only few hours take it from the sea and you buy and eat.
Yeah.
If even one day, fish is most dangerous than the other meat, you know that?
Right.
Become
they keep
poison,
yeah.
poisonic, and even with cooking or frying, that never goes.
Doesn't go, yeah.
Fish is very dangerous. I never eat fish if I don't know where is,
I do it.
Yeah.
Eat. Why? Because
In
guys
Mumbai,
fresh आता है.
in Mumbai there is a beach. They get the fresh, they sell. That is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
You know, just now it came from the sea. But in the stores and all, you don't know how many
They
days
keep it for so long with the eyes.
Be careful about fish also.
Yes. Hindi now.
Oh yeah, Hindi bolo.
You Hindi bolo.
Hindi you say.
Okay. So
बहुत खतरनाक है.
बहुत खतरनाक है. Yes. Where did you learn this?
I know.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't teach you this, by the way. But I'm impressed that you know खतरनाक. Okay. So guys, ये बहुत खतरनाक है. So be aware about it and do not trust such videos.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
I guess we're done here.
Thank you for
Thank you for watching.
us. We love you. We
Bye.
come
Love
back
you.
soon. Bye.
Like, comment, share. Close it. Oh, photo.
Yeah.
Oh, not here, by the way. This why is not getting stopped. You try.
Post hole he is. Oh, now he's working. Shoot, yeah.
राजनीति से दूर रहना